Osteoporosis or thinning of bones is often called a silent disease. Many people do not even know that they have thin bones until they get a fracture. Osteoporosis is a major public health concern, and in the United States, nearly 1 in 2 women and 1 in 4 men will have osteoporosis. Although it mostly affects Caucasian and Asian individuals, men and women of other ethnic groups can also have osteoporosis. This leads us to a common question. Is osteoporosis a normal part of aging? The answer is no. While it's typical to lose some bone mass as you age, it is not normal to have osteoporosis, to experience painful broken bones, or to have significant loss of height. Appropriate nutrition and exercise play a major role in prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. Calcium, vitamin D, and protein are the building blocks of bones. The best way to get calcium is from food. If you include a calcium-rich beverage or food at each meal, you are likely to get all of the calcium you need in a day. The daily requirement of calcium ranges from 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams, and that of vitamin D from 15 to 20 micrograms per day. Protein is necessary in youth for maintaining bone mass, bone quality, and bone strength. Protein requirement per day for most healthy adults is about 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight or 0.36 grams per pound of body weight. Athletes, children, nursing mothers, and people who have surgeries may have a higher requirement for protein per day. Not only does protein prevent bone loss, it is also one of the key nutrients responsible for improved outcomes after a fracture. Several population studies have linked higher intakes of fruits and vegetables to reduction in bone loss and higher bone mineral densities. Fruits and vegetables contain bone-building nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin K, which promote healthy bones. Some theories suggest the presence of plant estrogens in certain fruits and vegetables that are beneficial for bones. Fruits and vegetables may make the body less acidic, resulting in improved use of calcium by the body. Perhaps individuals with higher intake of fruits and vegetables just have an overall better diet, contributing to stronger bones. Adding 100% daily value multivitamin to your diet will also enhance your nutrition. You can visit our website for detailed information on sources of daily requirements of calcium, vitamin D, and essential nutrients, and also to know how to pick the right supplement for you. Regular exercise or physical activity at any time in your life is good for your heart, muscle tone, flexibility, and coordination. In children and young adults, exercise is necessary to build strong bones. After peak bone mass has been reached, which is usually by age 25, exercise plays an important role in regulating bone metabolism and maintaining bone mass. Exercise builds general muscle strength, improves posture, body mechanics, and promotes balance. Specific exercises are recommended for prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. These consist of weight-bearing exercises, muscle strengthening, postural training, stretching, and balance exercises. Any physical activity or exercise in which your body works against gravity, or you lift free weights, or use weight machines at the gym qualifies as a weight-bearing exercise. This work against a resistance and the muscle pull on the bones stimulates cells that help in bone formation. Postural exercises promote correct body alignment. These exercises can help minimize stooped posture, which may sometimes result from osteoporosis. Stretching helps improve muscle tightness and reduce joint stiffness. These exercises are important for normal joint function and quickness to prevent loss of balance. Osteoporosis can lead to muscle weakness and higher risk of falls. Balance exercises help in reducing this fall risk and are an important part of the prevention program for osteoporosis. In addition to physical activity, education on home and environmental risk factors to prevent falls is also important for people with osteoporosis. Your physical therapist can design an exercise program for osteoporosis. You can also visit our website to learn more about the frequency, type of exercises, and the duration of exercises that help in prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. New York State Osteoporosis Prevention and Education Program is here to answer your bone health related questions via phone or email. Thank you.